When it comes to choosing a property, understanding area measurements is crucial. Carpet area is where you should focus first. It tells you how much actual living space you can use. Then there's the built-up area, which includes walls and balconies, giving you a broader view of the total space, but not all of it is livable. Finally, we have the super built-up area, often highlighted by builders for pricing, but it can be misleading when assessing usable space. Always ask developers or agents for clarity on these measurements to avoid surprises. Knowing the differences can save you time and money, ensuring you find the perfect place that fits your needs. Happy house hunting! When we talk about built-up area, we are diving into the total space that includes not just the carpet area, but also the thickness of the walls surrounding your apartment. Imagine your cozy 800 square feet of carpet area. Now, add in the walls and maybe a balcony or two, and suddenly, you're looking at a built-up area of 900 square feet. It's essential to understand that the built-up area encompasses both internal and external walls, as well as those charming balconies and verandas that, while not fully livable, still contribute to the overall space. This means your built-up area is always going to be larger than your carpet area. So, when you're evaluating a property, remember to consider these extra spaces. They're part of what makes your home feel complete. Super built-up area is a term that can really shape your understanding of property value. It's not just about the space you live in, it's about the total area you're paying for. Imagine your unit has a built-up area of 900 square feet. Now, add in the shared spaces, like the lobby, elevators, and even the pool, which might total around 150 square feet. Suddenly, your super built-up area jumps to 1050 square feet. This measurement is crucial because it's what builders use to calculate the sale price. But here's the catch. It can be misleading. The super built-up area includes both your exclusive space and those common areas, which means the actual usable space might be less than you expect. Always keep this in mind when evaluating a property, as it can significantly impact your investment. Understanding super built-up area helps you make informed decisions in the real estate market. Carpet area is the actual usable space in your home, and it's crucial to understand when you're looking for a new place. Imagine this. You walk into an apartment with a carpet area of 800 square feet. That's the space where you can comfortably arrange your furniture, set up your living room, and create a cozy bedroom. But here's the catch. This measurement doesn't include the thickness of the walls, balconies, or any common areas. So, when you're evaluating an apartment, carpet area gives you a clear picture of how much living space you really have. It's the heart of your home, where you'll spend time with family, entertain friends, and relax after a long day. Always remember, the carpet area is your true canvas for living. When diving into the world of real estate, understanding area measurements is essential. Let's break down the terms you'll encounter. First, we have the built-up area, which includes the actual space you can use plus the walls and other structures. Then there's the carpet area, which is the actual usable space inside your property. Think of it as the area where you can lay down a carpet. Finally, the super built-up area includes all the common areas, like lobbies and gyms, along with the built-up area. It's crucial to know these distinctions because they can significantly impact your decision and budget. So, next time you're house hunting, keep these terms in mind to make an informed choice.